Rolls-Royce is spearheading a brand new £40 million investment into the UK's aero industry to develop low-carbon aircraft engines. Other industry leaders and even top universities are collaborating on the project known as the, are you ready, SAMULET, which is short for the Strategic Affordable Manufacturing in the UK with Leading Environmental Technology. The goal of SAMULET is to produce these low-carbon aircraft engines to remain competitive with the rest of the industry while meeting the 2020 emissions targets. The push is largely business-driven because all partners involved in SAMULET believe that eco-friendly engines are where the market is headed. If you keep your ears open, you'll hear how nearly every industry is headed towards better green practices. Get educated in sustainability to stay on the top of this bandwagon. I'm Laura Lewis for the World Education Council, WEC-TV, changing the world one mind at a time.